In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a retrospective in Confluence. A retrospective is a short, structured meeting where your team reviews what went well, what didn't, and what to change next. Confluence makes this easy with a built-in template, so you don't have to create a page from scratch. Open Confluence in your browser and sign in. On the left sidebar, click Templates. If the sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it and choose Templates. This opens the template gallery with ready-made pages for common team ceremonies and documents. Depending on your permissions and which space you're in, you might see organization-specific templates alongside the standard ones. You can browse the gallery here, but the quickest path is search. At the top of the gallery, click into the search field and type Retrospective. Confluence filters results as you type. Hover a card to see a short description. Preview it to confirm it fits your needs. Find the retrospective template from the software blueprints, select it, and click Use. That creates a new page based on the template and opens it in the editor. Now, make your edits. Start with a clear title like Sprint 23 Retrospective so it's easy to locate later. Review the sections provided, typically prompts for what went well, what didn't, ideas, and action items, and adjust the headings to match your team's format if needed. If your group prefers start, stop, continue, or another style, just rename the sections. Add brief context near the top, such as the sprint or project and the date, so anyone reading understands the scope. Set expectations with 1 or 2 ground rules at the top, like blameless discussion and a focus on improvement. Think about how you'll run the session. You can add short notes under each section, like time boxes or how you'll collect input, to keep discussion focused. In the action items area, be specific. Write the task, the owner, and a target date, and keep outcomes measurable so follow through is straightforward in the next sprint. If you're facilitating live, add timestamps or a checklist line as you move through sections to keep everyone aligned. If your team contributes asynchronously, use comments in the editor to gather thoughts ahead of time, or leave a short prompt under each heading. Keep the layout simple and scannable. Clear headings and concise statements help people read and respond promptly. And that's the flow. Go to Confluence, open templates, browse or search, type retrospective, click Use, and make focused edits in the editor. With a few tweaks to the template, you'll have a clean, repeatable space to run your retrospective and turn insights into action.